ADLED is one of the leading providers in Europe and American market of illuminated advertising signs and decoration lighting, specialized in developing high-efficiency LED modules and LED strips since 2014. We use branded LED lamps for LED module, backlit LED bar, edge-lit LED bar, LED flexible strip light, and LED neon light. ADLED has strong R&D ability. It doesn't only meet the existing customers' requirements, but also strive to innovate the technologies consistently to meet customers' future needs. ADLED managing idea is the quality first. From the raw material selection, product designing and testing, our procedures are under strict management. Our products approved UL, FCC, CE, ROS. ADLED provides fast delivery, competitive pricing, customized services, and strong technical support. The products are widely used in airport, metro, railway, bus station, parking lot, shopping mall, exhibition, and building decorative. Our products are exported to the Europe, North America, and South America, Australia, more than 60 countries and areas. ADLED core value is focusing on our business, listening to customers' needs and ideas. We center on customer-oriented service. With the innovation of technology and service, ADLED become one of the leading providers of sign industry. Warmly welcomes all visit, investigate and negotiate business.